The liver is one of the most important and the largest internal organ of the body, locating at the right side of the body. It looks like a reddish-brown cone-shaped organ involved in several activities and performs multiple functions in the body such as protein making, enzyme activation, storage of vitamins and minerals, glycogen synthesis, bile production, manufacturing triglycerides, and blood clotting. Several diseases like cirrhosis, hepatitis, liver cancer, and other toxins caused by long-term medication can attack the liver and damage its functions. The most significant warning signs of the liver disorder include jaundice. It occurs due to acute inflammation of the liver or bile or obstruction of bile product. Some other symptoms and signs of liver disorder are pain in the abdomen, swelling, weight loss, fatigue, confusion, or bleeding. The liver detoxifies substances in the body and manufactures chemicals in the body to carry its function properly. Certain foods and herbs that you might not know can also cause damage to the liver and inhibits its functions. Let us discuss those herbs in detail that can be dangerous for your liver health. Number 1. Green tea. On the top of the list comes green tea. Yeah, it might sound awful to add green tea to the list of liver-damaging herbs, although it is the most crucial ingredient in almost all diet plans and weight loss tips as a natural remedy. But overdrinking green tea can be extremely dangerous for liver health. It contains antioxidants that flush out toxins from the body. The average consumption of antioxidants should be 90 to 300 milligrams per day. Some herbal supplements contain 500 to 1000 milligrams dosage. Intake of antioxidants more than 800 milligrams can be harmful to your liver. Hence, you must consult your healthcare about how much green tea you should drink per day to enjoy an improved overall health. Number 2. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is closely associated with anti-stress, anti-inflammatory, or neuroprotective activities. People of Asia have been using these herbs as a general tonic, an energy-boosting remedy, and reducing fatigue, pain, arthritis, diabetes, skin diseases, and epilepsy. But recent studies have revealed close relation between ashwagandha to mild to moderate liver injury that appeared in several cases. The damage is not a persistent or acute liver failure, as the symptoms disappear within 1 to 3 months after discontinuing this herbal consumption. Number 3. Black Cohosh. This root of this herb is used for several medicinal purposes. They contain certain chemicals that affect immunity. Black Cohosh is used to treat several medical symptoms like headache, cramping, rash, bleeding, weight gain, or stomach upset. In some cases, it is closely linked with many ailments related to the liver like jaundice, fatigue, or dark-colored urine. Hence, people who witness any of these symptoms should instantly stop using it to prevent acute injury to the liver. Number 4. Comfrey. Comfrey is a herb commonly found in Asia, America, and parts of Europe. The herb is used to treat burns, bruises, sprains, and joint inflammation, as comfrey can be used to make the balm, cream, ointments, and salves. However, certain researches and studies reveal that you should not consume it orally and are banned to eat it in any form. It contains peroxidine alkaloids that cause cancer and severe liver damage. Number 5. Ephedra. Ephedra is a herb used to cure the allergy, nasal congestion, fever, asthma, weight loss, and common cold symptoms. Recent researchers have suggested that the herbs contain a high amount of caffeine that can cause damage to the liver. It is banned in the US due to its potential side effects, and you should consume it as per your consultant's advice.
Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.